Asante Kotoko coach. What's the name? Coach Ogum. I'm a Jumano Etimi Akoso. And I want to believe that maybe we Juma Fufra or person of fixing Coach Kwasiapia. I'm on social demand Asante Kotoko team no. So some message will be welcome. Technical director there. In most cases, no. Technical directors are supposed to be grown coaches, no. Right? Coaches are my Juma chair. Now, a huge experience. And I think that Coach Utia can take that box, no. When the Juma why over the years, or Ghana ha or take that box, no. So with me, I yes, Juma. You know, and not there. I want to believe that among for there was so much issues on it. Coach Utia can tell we are watching when you need so say no you over to me here. He's still abreast. What name my Ekoso. He's still working for the FA. I want to believe so. I think or you maybe my FA no. And you know, I think coming to Asante Kotoko no. A way I say package the technical department of Asante Kotoko no money complete. Not only the management in your complete, the technical department of Asante Kotoko no. And so no here say argument no because Coach Kwasiapia the presence here was an issue. It's a Otia Kenten everyone around it there at any point in time no. I think so Coach Ogumbenyo will be a consultant when it comes to the advice and what have you. You see the point? So most of the work is going to be done by Coach Ogum. He is the man in charge. He is the man in charge. But for supervisions, for advice, and what have you know, and the he has to think about that. So, you know, yes, I say, Coach, Baba judgment, I know. Advisory role, and obey play, supervision, and some of these things that I say, player, coach issues, be bar.
Minimum the Sanko who said, Obeju, Jumaya, media name, Busa say, and the Busa Solon, so we both media. Technical director, bar, coaching in Saumana, Hodiana, on Timmy Chesam, win a meeting Nayajuma.
Oh, sometimes TV Marquine.
Okay.
I'm out to me up for
a catcher win a person never.
Yeah, Tim between Marquine, I want to discuss it. Especially, on the coaches, no. Your coach behind the philosophy. What I say, the style of play, how he wants to go about things. You know, many teams ever consult who coach, you know, our now on what discuss it. The person you do on board. Teams will be so more free say if there's that vacancy as a more important technical director, they go ahead and they know who team no, who coach you know. Why they become and shut that and on yet they'll tell you because a position and you won't have it will be as over. Why all that now you know? Team of freeze and also go ahead and do that, but they will look at the coach or no near maybe doesn't he understand how you play when you don't remember you know team no coach way and then this is how the coach is. This is how he does his things and that stuff. So of it inner they bring him, not the number. As you know, I want to believe that answer no more conclude on coach Tiakenteno. They might have done a lot of
background checks
about him. You see the point? He's been around for quite a long time. He understands the Ghanaian system. No? You're telling him he knows. He's worked with House of Folk. He's worked with Kivesa. He's worked with Ashgold and so on and so forth. So, or your coach, I think in Ghana here, over this company is a gentleman. He's worked with the national team and what have you. So, when it comes to coaching, I think as a Ghana, you consider some of the coaches are more modern system. Yeah, coach Otiakente. But then the American said, "You must will be done by Coach Ogum. He's in charge." You see the point? That some technical directors be who yeah, na a woman Anna a draft team the program. Maybe I'm a coach, no coach the Ejuma. You see the answer now, you know. But so or two for offer Coach Ogum in some more kind. Now, if you are to go by that idea, I think when we mere in advice.
Okay.
So, and a bit of consultations when things become so difficult for Oguma. It players matters. So, take out the letters for what they come in. For example, they see a lot of things that happen last season. You know, that if not take out the letter around the coach, you know, then the both of them, no, we go about things how to resolve that problem. Maybe I ain't go do mention and resolve that problem. I don't know so maybe I go for mass sex others no. So I don't know na about we are soon. So we are even the full detail and other aspect of it. I want to believe that the management no krano e bia na ho nkomo kakraba. Seba. Kotoko starting for me. The management completely management.
What about board?
And first you go to the management.
Board
first. You can do it later on. But the management.
No board na the management iba.
It depends on how we've seen Kotoko. Board the management abada. You've seen Kotoko. Board abeto management da.
And then a board cause properly the sanka board ba first no more management to make no my
head. No Kotoko ayebi. Eventually na Anko
but ye the right thing. Board ba first.
Yes.
Nanki anya management umun ape umun jeno de obana as because I'm far.
There are two types, not different types. So if it's going to be an advisory board, some management ban on one later fine. Because most of the time they don't come and use by a board omuna.
Ba Kotoko dey ni musu dey oba obi you come here.
Who's the say dey who's Kotoko running no.
Okay.
If you
okay.
Et you know, if you can bet me decide say
yeah, but go swaye.
Two people.
Crab it for me.
Because according to the Ghana labor law that you know, over for me board over to the me no. Aye. Right. Now continue. You don't necessarily need a report bed to say the for me no. Et you know, every upper time mobile time that hear the right things no. You can decide say to forfeit the FA requirements no. Every two people. Will be there as an advisory board. Then no forming management, you know. Monies and everything will come from Asia. Said the last season, you know. Almost year, you know. A boss a bit to me out my management, you know. Young train that can after the meeting, you know.
Okay.
You been a lot. Or they have set or saying the Maria issues who are supporters, no. It seems like I say you raise alarm to do. It seems like you raise alarm to do.
Okay.
But you baby are in no na year to year some share there ade ba pon ya no anytime assembly be ba ga hu no be ko ba over ope
na jo
say be ma akana come ato no yam
but I say akomia yo
aba
meko ba fo bi ma menti obere nka kakra we say buying players is totally different from managing the players. We had to manage our players very, very well. If you bought Word 11 and don't manage them well, there will be crisis like we had last season. Ugum should try as much as possible to manage the players. There is volatility in every team, but it takes a manager to manage them. Mr. Francis Apia, you kicking in town. Ni message, no. Say,
yes, sir.
Umonitani mana.
Sir, no Kotoko friendly match. Definitely, you have to go and monitor what really happened there. See a picking news for modern bar a team ni put you up. Nzano Paname Mao starting 11 of Freddy Kasare, Emmanuel Koti, Abdul Hamid, Mohammed Al-Hassan left back now. Now on the Sudan,
okay.
Left back.
Smart
to say
smart. We na I am local Ghana. That's a Ghana player, but smart.
Mohammed Al-Hassan. Oh, say we and 4 and 5 for Henry Ansu and Justice Blay. In team menu number 6, Babaya Emmanuel Mchi about like double number 10 Bisano and Peter Aqua Benasumwa and Elvis Chiba for Awuchi and Awuchi share first goal. Peter Bino Aqua share Sana Abdul Karim Abdurrahman ball penalty share. To offer 2 goals conceded, because share 3 no conceded 2. One basically based on description was something like a mistake from Frederick Kasari or control ball no nachese intercepted, and another one also from Prince Adasan. So for the starting 11 there of putting it together. So this was the game Kumasi Asante Kotoko Timisi for my kunima by a year 3 goals to 2 still work to be done. Double Soccer Academy there. When your next game is against Hard to Folk. The only issue is of our Kotoko team now, they don't have enough bench at this moment. And when we say Kotoko announcement, Kotoko announce a player. I must start to create a team so
Enchakra.
they announce a new player.
The Omomogu Facebook also.
Yes, Oma announce. Yes.
Okay. When
Samba Oneil.
Samba Oneil.
Yeah.
Congo ni nana.
Congolese.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Center back.
One final to so.
Center back.
You born answer na fan brand we announce the born out to say Facebook na mon final to na say obedi apana ho to me there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nyane ho adwuma. Yes.
Ngani Samba Oneil.
Also media na ekwa Samba na media man twene ye. Samba. Yeah, Samba Gilbani Oneil. Good.
Gabini.
On what position me?
Center back.
Gabini, okay. Center back.
Okay.
Okay.
That is what Kotoko are true. Okay, so
Also free Congo.
on your Congo.
It is Sudan no Congo back.
Signing a 2-year deal.
On the 2 years.
2 years.
Mama can 1 year option 2.
Samba. Yeah.
Sudan for no.
Yes.
Okay.
So the center back wa be ka hom. Meaning now Kotoko center back be move wako 4. Yusuf Nuruddin Justice Blay, Henry Ansu, and Ndongani. Na I have 4. Ediama Asante Kotoko. You see left back na omo 1. Right back if Prince Adasa the neck can there 2. And goalkeepers 2. Until in the Eshepu ba but Eshepunsi. Eshepunsi and also a dear or however. Yeah, they are my chief. So this is a player we don't know much about him, honestly. I feel near Open Horns and I want their minimum number kind. With the medium in the Mimasam so the mechanics any minimum.
Okay.
Aha, because
yeah, now come here Tenenka. Najibu. Samba Gilbani Oneil. Samba.
No bedru kumase.
Okay.
And on my pan on to my
Obedu ne
and they are no bedru kumasa no pana and on my pan on to my Yame Aduma and say or China. Obetimi a hectic training grounds.
Oh, ya pound to my dear.
Ya pound to my dear.
Medical.
And I jenny put the medical as why you are a pound to my. Your China so hectic training grounds, not just of our more Kajagumwa.
It's I say official I 4. Sudan foreign for near Sana local back. Emmanuel entry 2 Congo and the Congo bakuni and the Sudan mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see near share
Chiba for which and also go.
And which is go.
Okay.
Now 5 for her.
Not which you're more announcement.
I say I check a crowd.
So it's so much heavy, you know, financial baby. Training for almost a week. Pressure,
yes.
Fitness, album. Oh, aha, a fitness to album. Inti, when you sure say issue be a then, maybe a normal penny, maybe I wanted to see.
No person machine about community.
And maybe for now, the thing say, and also actually be proper. I may be a Timiako ye, Eddie Asante Kotoko, Timiako Kama. So, that is it for now, and interesting times ahead. Still how's insane be over?
Has not make you official. There is some nations for me no way, and your official. Okay.
To more trending. Chita for the PBB.
The be join the movie. I can say unveiling the baba.
As unveiling, Kotoko unveiling design here. Come.
Okay.
I just am an Congolese center back.
We may have how much money.
With that thing say a direct scouting to Coach Ogum.
I make a also a never.
When I say graphic designers, social media phone.
Okay.
I'm gonna yes I do graphic designers ne.
Okay.
And the social media phone and
okay.
When you be when you okay and your boy Jibuti na see also when you videos ni.
Oh, when you Oneil the other see. Wow. I'm sure crash. Shall I tell you crowd on Facebook or na for Google so na. Danger.
over
o monitor proceedings
oh
ana
you go so you did nkomo kakra but senior earlier on me kan no amount for your title pom pese bibia meeting no ko na wie ye David.
Mungi ya
meetings no na monitor bia
so we first one na
no omo second one na wakoye wa ye monitor
na second one na meaning to coach wa around na
coach around
okay
coach son of coach ni now because the meeting no occasion said because enra me ko kepus no ho no
kepus
din komoko
we din komoko kepus danger mai you know how like go kepus aba
no but how important this meeting is.
Okay,
both dementia one and then only supporters leadership because and if I don't be surprised obey explaining or try or attempt to convince them why players be on percent obeji womo why players be how we decided say he's going for them the meeting no a meeting I think obia any meeting nechi
mu say sa de nye ne keka it has something to do with ye de na e person fa no
e ka ho bi e ka ho bi
okay
of our own say supporters no hu ni say for instance the leadership of the supporters ne some nkofo bia o close to the team on say your supporters leadership ne wo ho your nkofo bia o for instance Enra right on this show and I think just around this time man najibo ye nyina ya dwen so the individuals na omo calling for meeting no ade last season omo ye so okay say jibo twen ya dwen say yen kan nkofo no mo kwa antoa no
so me ko yie na se no
omo bi na kwa yie na se no omo ka ho no omo afre sa meeting with the coach no some of them no omo nya supporters o but omo ye nkofo a e be legends of the club omo bobo no ebe homo the team na chi ache omo play a certain role in different departments any ade nti ye ka wo mu no omo ye key stakeholders se ba say you take a decision moving forward say na be next season normal kotoko mu season atwa mu kotoko nsan kom bie mu a omo so they feel they must be heard as say omo say tie wo omo and some of them no gidi ni say players bi wo ho a omo ba kotoko team ni mu a ebebo ama watimi aton kotoko matches because for instance our supporters leadership now omo feel say they have been accused say omo adwuma as supporters I say omo timi mass numbers to the stadium no omo ntimi nya sa adwuma no and some of them are of the view say it is so because omo say Ghana football no say results ma na amanfo ndi akiri na amanfo twetwetwe omo ho intended na yempe players are one omo wo saying omo ye betimi use as poster boy and poster boys yale ntine players e betimi aton omo easily ade na players omo be so omo din de obi ano ade na players e be my resource if you get these materials ton matches ya na emane nye din so omo fi say the coach must listen to them or the coach will have to listen to them. Yes, coach no so for say yes. Yenum nyina na ye team no, yenum nyina na ye adwuma no. But obi a won rule. Me and at the end of the day players no kwakọ training wo na ma select wo matches. Say results anko yi a my head will be on the chopping board. Mo ma me mfa players a me feel say me don betim nya results. Say na be ya say ochina bibini a I will be held responsible because here is the case. Offer supporters the player ba. Na player for one reason or the other, so many they will ask questions. They will ask questions. They will raise issues. Be so na player no omiti the cart no. Be so na player no obewi no. Watu na dwunu onyere ne hu biem. So that no bebre na a lead to say no no a esese omotena se. Na offer omo trash it out. Omo jojo no omo trash it out. So that moving forward, you know, at least will be an say, okay, this is na taking ye. Coach na some kind of jatum, and I assume some kind coach na jatum, and I yen no, a coach na center stage be an center baby be a jina hormone. Yen jatum say, why I first way could so me dear. I am happy say this meeting is coming on. The mention one need say omu here sika. Say deals no ache ebi supporters raise issues yi. O say omo the messages ebi no busa. Say
ache dey a omunya botre kakra o. Ye nyina nim transfer no enye better say dey hu no ba. Of course. Wo pe player no no ana fe no wo to no nyema